Welcome to the fascinating world of dark biotechnology. In this video, we'll explore what dark biotechnology means, why it's gaining attention, and how it differs from traditional biotechnology. As science advances, new fields emerge that challenge our understanding and ethics. Dark biotechnology is one such area, often shrouded in mystery and debate. Let's begin by setting the stage for our journey, understanding the basics, and preparing to dive deeper into its definition and scope. Before we define dark biotechnology, it's important to understand biotechnology itself. Biotechnology is the use of living organisms, cells, and biological systems to develop products and technologies that improve our lives. From medicine to agriculture, biotechnology has revolutionized many industries. It's a broad field that includes everything from genetic engineering to fermentation. This foundation helps us appreciate how dark biotechnology fits into the bigger picture. Dark biotechnology emerged as a term to describe the use of biotechnology for harmful or unethical purposes. While traditional biotechnology aims to benefit society, dark biotechnology focuses on applications that can cause harm, whether intentionally or unintentionally. This includes the creation of biological weapons, misuse of genetic engineering, and other activities that pose risks to health, security, or the environment. The term highlights the dual-use nature of biotechnological advances. Dark biotechnology refers to the application of biotechnological methods and tools for malicious, illegal, or unethical purposes. This can involve the deliberate creation of harmful biological agents, manipulation of organisms for criminal activities, or the development of technologies that threaten public safety. The definition underscores the potential for biotechnology to be used in ways that go against societal norms and ethical standards. Dark biotechnology is characterized by its intent and impact. Unlike conventional biotechnology, which seeks to solve problems and improve quality of life, dark biotechnology is associated with negative consequences. Its key features include secrecy, potential for misuse, and the challenge of regulation. Understanding these characteristics helps us recognize the risks and the need for oversight in this field. Scope of dark biotechnology is broad and evolving. It encompasses a range of activities, from the development of biological weapons to the unauthorized modification of organisms. The field also includes cyberbiological threats where digital and biological technologies intersect. As biotechnology advances, the scope of dark biotechnology expands, raising new ethical and security concerns. Understand dark biotechnology. It's helpful to look at its historical context. The misuse of biological knowledge is not new. History is filled with examples of biological agents used in warfare and sabotage. However, modern biotechnology has made it easier to create and deploy such agents, increasing the potential risks. This historical perspective highlights why dark biotechnology is a growing concern today. Central issue in dark biotechnology is the dual-use dilemma. Many biotechnological tools and techniques can be used for both beneficial and harmful purposes. For example, gene editing can cure diseases but also create dangerous pathogens. This dual-use nature makes regulation and oversight particularly challenging, as it's often difficult to distinguish between legitimate and malicious intent. One of the most concerning aspects of dark biotechnology is the development of biological weapons. These are organisms or toxins engineered to cause harm to humans, animals, or plants. The use of biotechnology makes it possible to create more potent and targeted weapons, raising the stakes for global security. International treaties exist to prevent their use, but enforcement remains a challenge. Rise of biohacking and do-it-yourself biology has expanded the scope of dark biotechnology. Enthusiasts and amateur scientists now have access to powerful tools, sometimes without proper oversight. While many use these tools for innovation, there's a risk that some may engage in unsafe or illegal activities, intentionally or not. This democratization of biotechnology adds complexity to the field. Synthetic biology, which involves designing and constructing new biological parts, devices, and systems, is a powerful branch of biotechnology. However, it also presents risks when used for dark purposes. The ability to create novel organisms or modify existing ones can lead to unintended consequences, including the creation of new pathogens or ecological disruptions. Genetic engineering allows for precise changes to DNA, offering tremendous benefits in medicine and agriculture. However, in the context of dark biotechnology, these same techniques can be used to create harmful traits in organisms. This raises concerns about biosecurity, accidental release, and the potential for misuse by malicious actors. Unregulated or poorly regulated research is a significant factor in the growth of dark biotechnology. In some cases, research is conducted without proper oversight, increasing the risk of dangerous outcomes. This can happen in both formal institutions and informal settings, highlighting the need for global standards and cooperation. As biotechnology becomes more digital, new threats emerge at the intersection of biology and cybertechnology. Cyberbiological threats involve the hacking or manipulation of biological data, equipment, or processes. These threats can disrupt research, compromise safety, or even lead to the creation of harmful biological agents. Dark biotechnology doesn't just threaten human health and security, it can also have serious environmental consequences. The release of engineered organisms, whether intentional or accidental, can disrupt ecosystems, harm wildlife, and lead to irreversible changes in nature. These risks underscore the importance of responsible research and regulation. The ethical challenges of dark biotechnology are profound. Decisions about what research should be allowed, who should have access to powerful tools, and how to balance innovation with safety are complex. These challenges require input from scientists, policymakers, and the public to ensure that biotechnology is used responsibly. Regulating dark biotechnology is a major challenge. Laws and regulations vary widely between countries, and technology often advances faster than policy. Effective regulation requires international cooperation, clear guidelines, and the ability to adapt to new developments. Without strong oversight, the risks of dark biotechnology increase. Biosecurity is a key aspect of managing the risks of dark biotechnology. This involves measures to prevent the misuse of biological materials, protect against biological threats, and ensure safe research practices. Strong biosecurity helps safeguard public health, the environment, and national security. Several international treaties aim to prevent the misuse of biotechnology, including the Biological Weapons Convention. These agreements set standards for research and development, promote transparency, and encourage cooperation. However, enforcement remains a challenge, especially as technology evolves. Scientists play a crucial role in preventing the misuse of biotechnology. By adhering to ethical guidelines, promoting transparency, and engaging in responsible research, scientists can help ensure that biotechnology is used for good. Education and awareness are also important in building a culture of responsibility. Raising public awareness about dark biotechnology is essential. An informed public can advocate for responsible policies, support ethical research, and help identify potential risks. Education campaigns and transparent communication are key to building trust and understanding. The biotechnology industry also has a responsibility to prevent misuse. Companies should implement strong security measures, follow ethical guidelines, and cooperate with regulators. Industry self-regulation can complement government oversight and help maintain public trust. Education and training are vital for those working in biotechnology. Proper training ensures that researchers understand the risks and responsibilities associated with their work. Educational programs can help build a culture of safety and responsibility, reducing the likelihood of misuse. Examining real-world case studies helps illustrate the risks and challenges of dark biotechnology. These examples show how misuse can occur, the consequences of inadequate oversight, and the importance of learning from past mistakes. Case studies provide valuable lessons for researchers, policymakers, and the public. The future of dark biotechnology will be shaped by advances in science and technology. As new tools and techniques emerge, the potential for both benefit and harm increases. Staying ahead of these trends requires ongoing vigilance, research, and adaptation by all stakeholders. Balancing the benefits of biotechnology with the need for safety is a constant challenge. Innovation drives progress, but it must be guided by ethical principles and robust oversight. Finding this balance is essential to harnessing the power of biotechnology while minimizing risks. Addressing the challenges of dark biotechnology requires global cooperation. No single country can manage the risks alone. International collaboration, information sharing, and joint efforts are necessary to develop effective strategies and prevent misuse. Policy plays a critical role in shaping the future of biotechnology. Effective policies can promote innovation, protect public safety, and ensure ethical standards are met. Policymakers must stay informed about technological advances and be prepared to adapt regulations as needed. Let's recap what we've learned about dark biotechnology. We've defined the term, explored its scope, and discussed the risks, challenges, and responsibilities involved. Dark biotechnology is a complex and evolving field, requiring vigilance, cooperation, and ethical leadership to ensure it serves the greater good. As we look to the future, the importance of understanding and managing dark biotechnology cannot be overstated. By staying informed, promoting responsible research, and working together, we can harness the benefits of biotechnology while minimizing its risks. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of dark biotechnology's definition and scope.